Let's have a quick test. You have 3 seconds to name the following polygons. So let's begin in 3, 2, 1. It's a triangle. If you think it is a square, then you are absolutely wrong, because you don't know what its dimensions are, so it would be better to say a quadrilateral. Now the last polygon. If you said circle, then this time also you're wrong. If you observe carefully, you will see that the figure has vertices, so it is clearly not a circle. So what shape is this? It is a hexagon. So can we say that as the number of sides of polygon goes to infinity, a polygon becomes a circle? Yes. So it would be correct to say that a polygon with infinite sides is a circle, right? No, because there is a big difference between number of sides goes to infinity and infinite sides. To illustrate you, consider a variable x, which can be any integer. So 1 by x where limit of x tends to infinity is 0, but 1 by infinity is not 0. It is very close to 0, but not 0. To give you an idea how close, think of an integer. Let's say you chose 7. So what was the probability of choosing 7? You have chosen only one integer out of infinitely many integers. So the probability would be 1 by infinity. So if we consider that 1 by infinity is 0, was the number 7 possible to choose from the rest of the infinite integers? Of course not. But you have chosen 7 out of the infinitely many possibilities. So this is why we say that 1 by infinity is very close to 0, but not 0. So in the same way as 1 by x where limit of x tends to infinity is 0 and 1 by x is very close to 0 but not 0, a polygon with n number of sides where n tends to infinity is a circle, and a polygon with infinite sides is not a circle but similar to circle called epirogon. So what is the basic difference between a circle and an epirogon? It is the difference in the length of their sides. To give you an idea, let's take this square and convert it to an octagon. There are two ways to do this. Either fold each side of this square in half or add a similar four-sided polygon to it to make it an octagon. Now if you will continue further with the first method, you will end up with a circle, whereas with the second method, you will end up with an epirogon. So as a polygon converges to a circle, its edges also converges to a point, whereas in epirogon it does not. So a side of an epirogon can have a side of 1 centimeter, but a circle cannot, because a circle is made up of infinitely many points, and a point is dimensionless, but a side of a polygon requires at least one dimension to exist. So a point cannot have a length of 1 centimeter. But an epirogon can have a point-sized side, so it can be considered as the sum of n-sided polygon as n approaches infinity. Also, a side is made of infinitely many points, which has exactly 2 vertices, but a circle does not have infinitely many vertices. So we can also say that a circle has one side, that is its circumference, so it can be considered as a monogon.